Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the notification from Grow a Garden to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. If you don't want to miss the seed restock and Grow a Garden, I have a method you can try to get the seed notification. Seed stock notification. First of all, you're going to join Grow a Garden to Discord server, the official one. You can go to your browser and search for Grow a Garden Discord server, and then it will bring you to the Grow a Garden to Discord server. Or if you already open your Discord, you can go to the Discover here and search Grow a Garden to server, and you're going to join the server. Then here you will see notification. Wait, where is it? You can scroll down, okay, and you can activate Grow a Garden notifiers. And if you want to get the seed stock notification, you can monitor it right here. And don't forget to turn on your Discord application notification, so you won't miss the stock in the game. Okay guys, and that's how you can get seed stock notification from Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!